how to fix Valorant error code 43. And if you want to fix this problem, it's easy. All you need to do, just type here, run, click on it. Now just type here local app local app data %. Scroll down until you find Valorant, save it, right click on logs, click delete. After that, go to config, right click on crash report client and click delete. And after that, if that doesn't fix your problem, type here device manager. Now it means that you need to update your drivers, your GPU and network adapters. Go to display adapters, right click on your GPU and click update driver. After that, go to network adapters and right click on it and click update. Search automatically for updates, and that's it. Update all of those drivers, and I hope that can help you just to start your PC, and see you in the next video.